Hello everyone, so today I will just record a very short video and show you how to set the default language interpreter in Visual Studio Code. So for me, and this video is all about Ansible. So we've installed Ansible, and of course it installs everything that it needs. But after you install it, in case you have your YAML files, so those are the playbooks. You have them like this. So the interpreter for this for the files, the default interpreter is YAML, and you can see it here. And if you want to switch to Ansible, because you need Ansible so that you can work better with the YAML files. So with the playbooks, you just have to click here on the language. You need to go to configure file association and then select Ansible, and it will replace the language interpreter for every YAML file in your environment. So now it's much better. You can write the playbooks more efficiently. Okay, this was it. As I told you, a short video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more things like this. Thank you.